70 years old man.
Yeah. Can you please show me what has been storing? Oh, wait a minute. All of this yours. What? No, it's okay. Show me what has been storing, please.
Photo.
My monitor was here. My computer there and my hard drives were here, so everything has been stolen except for this mouse and this keyboard. I don't know what to do right now. Okay.
I hear need but me. Funka. Oh no.
What the hell are you doing? I'm doing my job. Your job is find the thief that stole my things and stop licking my skin. And your skin smells just like the table which I was licking. I just told you there was a thief in here and he had a gun pointed at me. There was nothing I could have done, or else he would have killed me. So, you saw the thief? Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you. And you let him go with your stuff? He had a gun. There was nothing I could have done. Do you have an insurance? Of course I do. And you listed everything which has been stolen? Of course I did. Can I have a look, please?
There is God. Oh.
So here is what you do. You take this list to your insurance people and they'll buy everything which has been stolen.
You be mumu.
That's doing business.
You think say they wise?
Wait, why are you leaving? Aren't you going to take a look at the CCTV footage and find this thief? You're very smart.
Shy.
You're very smart. But not as smart as me, Zaya.
You think say they wise?
When you look at me, do I look like I'm stupid? What? You're very stupid. How dare you? Who do you think you are? I only chase thieves with knives, not thieves with guns.
It's okay.
If your thief had a knife, I could have found him. But a gun.
Will you keep quiet?
Look at your books.